Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're just out here, we're doing one of our daily morning routines, coming out, taking the girls out, letting them play around a little bit, get some of the energy out so I can get some stuff done. It's been a pretty productive week. We've been doing the laundry room, getting the laundry room all buttoned up. Of course, we had to start using the laundry room as we were building it, so we needed clothes. We went to my mom's house once and did laundry there, but then it just got too much. We got too much laundry, so we had to actually start using it, unfortunately. So that makes it kind of a pain in the butt to actually use the laundry room as you're trying to build the laundry room, but we're getting it done. Got all the drywall up, got it taped up and mudded up. Today I'm going to actually probably do the sanding on it and get it painted up, and that should be almost wrapped up. We built the storage shed, obviously, and then that video will be coming out probably next week. Also, we just doing some general cleanup around the property. I had to do some mowing. Had to get some of the junk out of here, get that kind of cleaned up. And now this week I'm actually starting on cleaning up the garage shop, getting that thing ready and organized so I can actually start doing the powder coating business out of it. So yeah, lots of stuff going on. What else did we do? Tanya's been in there. She's been painting the cabinets, getting those all ready so I can start finishing the kitchen. And that's, once again, we are actually using the kitchen. Luna back there pooping behind me on camera. So anyway, yeah, she's painting the cabinets, getting the kitchen done. That's another thing that's the hard part about this, actually being out here now and moved in, is actually living here while you're trying to work on it. So we're like living in a construction zone, and that really makes it hard, because anything that you do, you have to move everything out of the way to try to get a project done. But then that same day you have to basically use it for your daily needs and your life. So you have to move it all back in, and of course it's a mess. So you're juggling back and forth between life and actually doing the projects that need to get done. So it's a real struggle, but we're getting through it. It's a test for sure. We're kind of picky. We like to have a clean environment to live in, like most people do, and it's just constant living in a construction zone, so it's a little chaotic. But once again, we're getting through it. We're still loving life out here. Tanya actually took on a job so we can have some extra income coming in while I finish up buttoning up the house and getting my business up and running. So I'm left here basically having to do it by myself, unsupervised, which is sometimes not very good if I'm not supervised.
Going to Lowe's Depot, going to Lowe's Depot, going to get me a pipe. All my exes work at Home Depot. That's why I get my parts at Lowe's today.
It's a little bit of a struggle. I miss her. I'm like working next to her every day. You know, she is my rock. She's my partner, and this is our dream together. But sometimes life gets in the way, so she really stepped up. She's actually took on this job to get us some more income so we can further along our projects and get the project done faster, get the house done faster. So kudos to her. I appreciate everything she does. And that's just all part of the plan. It's not forever. It's just a temporary thing until we can get this thing done and I can get the business up and running. There's that, and then there's these girls. So it's just me and the girls here working. I'd like to say that they help a lot, but they actually get in the way more than anything. Because they are constantly, they want to live under your feet. They're definitely good at excavation work. Yeah, they're helping. But yeah, I just wanted to check in, give you guys a little bit of an update. As far as the house goes, it's moving along. The cabinets are almost all painted. I'm going to start doing the countertops on those next week. So you guys will get to see that and start getting those installed. We'll be able to install basically half the kitchen first, one side of the kitchen, and then I'll move over to the sink side of the kitchen, because once again, we're living in the house and we're needing to use it. And it's kind of really hard to not have a sink. So I'm going to have to set up some sort of temporary sink setup to where we can actually be able to still do dishes and do that kind of stuff, have water while I'm building that half, installing the cabinets and getting everything installed and finished and buttoned up. But yeah, everything's moving along great. So the wood wall video just came out this week, so if you haven't seen that, go ahead, make sure you check out that. Like I said, I'm going to start trying to get out as many videos as I can. I have video of everything that we've done up to this point. It's just, like I said, life got in the way. We got really busy and I wasn't able to do a lot of editing, so I'm going back and editing those videos. So some of these videos might not be actually in order, so bear with us. We're getting caught up, and those videos will come out, and then we can start making a video or two a week from here on going forward. So thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with us. Wish us luck. Pray for us. We're going to need all the prayers we can get. This is a little bit of a struggle, but we are loving it. Like I said, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.